Dubai, a city of luxury, innovation, growth, and safety. Yet, when it comes to investment, opinions are split. Is Dubai really a bubble waiting to burst, or is it the golden ticket to financial freedom? In this vlog, we are going to dive into the mindset of investors in Dubai. As an investor or home seeker, you might be wondering, is this the right time to buy? Is the market overheated, or should I wait for those elusive distress deals? On the flip side, some others believe that Dubai's growth is unstoppable and the best time to invest is now. Before we get into the reality of the market, let me introduce myself. My name is Lalit Singh Rana and I welcome you to Zoro Homes. This vlog marks the beginning of a series where I will cover all the freehold areas developed by the finest names in the UAE, where the potential for return on investment and capital appreciation is immense. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. Dubai real estate market is like no other. For over 2 decades of off-plan properties have been the core of Dubai's growth story. Despite global uncertainties, this city has consistently delivered strong returns, especially for those who invested in off-plan projects. Now you might be asking, why off-plan? Why not wait for a ready property? The answer is simple. Off-plan properties, particularly those backed by payment plans directly from the developer, offer not just an affordable entry point, but also the potential for substantial capital appreciation. The formula is straightforward. The best developer in the best community equals the best investment. And that brings us to one of Dubai's most exciting communities, Dubai Creek Harbour by Emaar. I'll showcase some of Emaar's iconic projects in Dubai which have redefined the city real estate landscape. These projects are where investors from all over the globe have achieved significant capital appreciation. And now let me present some key points that make investing in Dubai Creek Harbour a rewarding choice. First, take a moment to explore this stunning waterfront community. As you do, you will notice several completed projects where timely investments have resulted in double of the investment value. Dubai Creek Harbour is just 10 minutes from Burj Khalifa. It is 15 minutes from Dubai International Airport and 30 minutes from Old Dubai, as well 40 minutes from Al Maktoum Airport. It is the largest scale waterfront development featuring 4 metro stations inside the community and a water taxi to Dubai Marina. This vibrant city offers a mix of retail, business and commercial facilities. It includes luxurious residential options such as apartments, villas and waterfront homes. Dubai Creek Harbour is also home to one of the UAE's most significant biodiversity assets, Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. In Dubai Creek Harbour, you will find modern properties surrounded by amenities including Creek Marina, a yacht club, dining by Creek, Creek Beach, licensed bar and resorts like Vida and Address. The community also boasts numerous parks and outdoor activities. This is how Dubai Creek Harbour will look like. This community includes a mainland and an island covering total area of 5.5 square kilometers. It will be twice the size of downtown Dubai. The island district of Dubai Creek Harbour is totally complete and investors in this area have experienced significant capital appreciation. Emaar's announcement about the Dubai Creek Tower is indeed exciting. This new landmark is set to surpass the Burj Khalifa by 100 meters, becoming the tallest tower in the world. Foundation of this project has already been done. The project will also feature Dubai Square Mall, which will be nearly twice the size of Dubai Mall and will include a metro connection, making it highly accessible. Dubai Square Mall with $5.5 billion investment with 750,000 square meters of gross floor retail space This design featuring a glass roof and numerous open areas, the aim is to create an indoor city atmosphere. The Central Park in Dubai Creek Harbour, spanning 70,000 square meters green space within the community. The pricing for properties in Dubai Creek Harbour is indeed attractive, especially when compared to other waterfront communities. The prime location directly from Emaar and featuring low-rise buildings adds significant value to the investment. This development direct connection with Emaar, a reputable developer, and its strategic location makes it a compelling option for investors looking for high potential returns. The latest launch of Address Residence, part of the prestigious Address Hotels 5-star brand, with competitive price starting at 2 million dirhams for 1 bedroom and 2.7 million for 2 bedroom, and also 5.4 million dirham for 3 bedroom units. These are attractive compared to similar properties in other Emaar communities where prices are often more than double. Given the recent launch and high demand, securing a unit might be challenging because the launch was just last week. However, if you are seeing this later, don't worry, there are frequent launches in this community and we'll be ready for the next opportunity. Feel free to message or call me at the contact number provided. It's time to say goodbye. See you in my next vlog where I will share insights of other exciting projects that could be your next great investment. Take care everyone.